All right, I hope you have your pen and paper close by because we're about to create something spectacular.
And it's
something
called Caramel
beautiful, something delicious. So we are making
Caramel Cappuccino Cake.
Yeah.
Yep.
Interesting, right? All right. And Chef Juliet of Cakeflair is here, of course, you know, to teach us how to cappuccino a cake today. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients.
I was supposed to get a cake from this cake early morning, Thursday morning. So we have our flour, sugar.
Yeah.
I'm also using brown sugar this time around.
Okay.
Baking powder, vanilla flavor, whole milk, and of course, good old ground Yola coffee. I also have 4 eggs for this recipe.
Okay.
Behind the scene, I've already creamed my butter and sugar. Okay. There's butter in this recipe as well. Okay. So butter, sugar, brown sugar, and white sugar. So I've creamed that. I've added my 4 eggs. So I'll just clear this off.
So what do we have in here now? Right now we have our butter, white sugar, brown sugar.
Yes.
And eggs.
Flavors, yes, flavors. I think I only added 1 teaspoon, so I need another teaspoon.
So in there is your vanilla flavor.
Yes.
Okay. So one would have thought that because it's cappuccino, you're not going to be making use of vanilla, or making use of chocolate.
Vanilla is a very friendly flavor. It goes well with almost anything. Okay. So we already have that.
Can we do this later on?
Yeah.
Can we do the mixing later on? Okay. So what next is going into
flour?
That? Okay.
Now what I did was I mixed the flour with the baking powder.
Okay.
And what else? That's it.
So in there are our wet ingredients.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to add our dry now.
Okay.
I'm also going to add a 3/4 cup of
coffee.
Yeah, brewed coffee to it. So that's what makes it the cappuccino. With the milk, of course.
Okay.
Cappuccino is coffee with
I was going to that because it's important that we discuss or enlighten people on what the difference is between coffee and cappuccino. So.
Well, we have different kinds of coffee. You can take your coffee in different ways, like latte, mocha. So we're using cappuccino here because we're adding milk to the coffee. So when you add milk to the coffee, you now froth that coffee. It has this foam on top of it. That is your cappuccino. Okay,
so talking about froth, tell me about that. What does froth mean?
Okay, there's this sort of like 360 degree. I didn't bring that. Oh, goodness.
Well, you should. Because, we are enlightening people here. We're teaching people how to make caramel cappuccino cake.
Yeah.
So people need to know what, makes the cappuccino.
I apologize.
Yeah. So basically what makes cappuccino is you have your coffee and then you have your
whole milk frothed.
Yeah. So they say hot steamed milk. Milk is milk. Yeah, basically. And then I'm sure maybe next time you could, teach us how to make the froth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
So you go what? So So I go to the market and I'm asking for a froth.
No,
is it like
a frother? It's a small device, a contraption that you use. You put it on. It's battery powered. You put that into your milk, and your coffee. It just starts foaming up as you kind of swirl into it.
Yeah.
You can also use your maybe spoon, but you won't get that perfect. Yeah. It's like you're almost like cuddling the milk. So it now has this massive foam. You can use that to even decorate. You can write your name.
That's like having your whipped cream on your coffee.
No, it's different actually.
Okay, it's different.
It's different.
All right. We'll take a quick commercial break. There's more on Wake Up Nigeria. Stay with us. So back to
the kitchen.
Cakeflair.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are making caramel cappuccino cake, guys. And we have our flour, white sugar, brown sugar, baking powder and our vanilla flavor. Okay. Yes. So what's in here right now? And
so we already have the butter, the wet mixed with the dry. And you can see the color.
I love that creamy.
Now, do you know why I use brown sugar?
Yeah.
To get this caramel color.
Oh.
Yes.
So it's compulsory.
Yes.
So this brown sugar is a definite staple for.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So right now we've already mixed the butter, ready for the oven. But this is the secret ingredients, the coffee.
The coffee.
So we're doing, what is 3/4?
3/4.
So there's 1/4 in 3 places.
Okay.
Oh, this is 1/3. So, baking is about precision. So you don't want to mess it up. So I have 1, and it's hot, by the way.
Oh, it has to be hot.
Yes.
Okay.
Because your batter is already mixed. You want it mellow. You don't want it, you don't bake with cold ingredients.
Okay.
Everything has to be room temperature or a little higher. So that's 2.
But then, if you're making this recipe, how do you now? What if you don't have all of these measuring cups and stuff? How do you measure it?
I mean,
how do you know the right quantity to put in your batter?
Okay, baking is like cooking with precision. You just have to have your measuring gadgets with you. They're all over the place in supermarkets and open markets. So I'm just folding in the
coffee.
Yes, okay. You know.
Oh.
See how yummy?
It actually smells aroma. Good. Of course, it's coffee, but hey, come on.
So you see the caramelization coming out.
So just in case you're wondering, where's cappuccino? Cappuccino is actually coffee, you know, with
frothed milk.
Frothed milk, yeah. So frothed being milk that looks foamy.
Churns, at high speed.
Yeah.
When you spin it at high speed.
Of your coffee.
I should have brought that stuff, man.
Anyway,
so we'll be next time.
Okay.
So we're done now. Smooth, you know. You don't want to overwork your flour, though. Okay. Because you want the gluten to remain, you know, cool, calm, collected.
Okay. So how long is this going to be in the oven for?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Thereabouts.
Oh, that's pretty quick.
Yeah, so we're done. See? Very easy.
I can't wait for this cake to be ready.
So we scoop into our oval shape. I like, you know, fancy pans.
You do, actually. And it's nice.
I have loads of them, man. Like, I just see them like, it's like my OCD. Just buy fancy pans.
Okay. So we've already preheated our oven.
Yes. To 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees centigrade.
Okay, I have no idea how that works. Trust me. But I'm sure that you have every oven has its timer. Yes. So once you set it on, you know, a certain time and degree, you're good to go.
Yep. So that's it.
Oh,
so you tap.
Do you really have to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So this is going into our oven, ready in another 20 minutes.
Please have a seat.
Good morning, Uncle Shala.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please take a
So this is freshly baked here this morning.
Yes.
Wow.
So here we have caramel cappuccino cake. Yes. All for you.
Thank you very much.
Cakeflair.
Okay, salsa.
Juls of Cakeflair. She made this morning. Juls?
Yes, please.
You need to come and enlighten us on all the preparation methods.
She wants to make sure that Uncle Shala has the right served.
All right. Fantastic. So a lot of work went into baking this cake this morning.
I can imagine.
In here we have eggs, butter, white sugar, brown sugar,
cappuccino as well,
which is the key ingredient for this cake, of course, and milk.
So we'll cut you a wedge.
Ooh.
Oh, that's what it's called, a wedge.
A wedge of cake.
This must cost a lot of money.
No, you'll not be billed, sir.
A small question.
When you told me, taking me to the restaurant.
To the kitchen.
The kitchen.
So I was hoping.
All right, Chef Juls.
Still quite hot.
Oh, still hot.
Yes.
Steaming.
Piping hot.
Wow.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So,
sir, please
You're going to
give us the verdict.
okay, yes. You know, just that I didn't like normally all this.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So,
It's actually cream. It's not icy. It's
actually cream, whipped cream.
Actually. Yes.
wow.
Okay,
let me take a big one then.
Okay.
Careful.
It's still hot.
Nice to see that.
All right.